Hi everyone, ki hal chal hai? Welcome to our channel MTB Wilderness. Today I will be showing you how to install SKS Flap Guard on our SISKIU D7 on its front view. You all must be thinking, why this Mudguard? Why not the others? And why Mudguard on MTB? These I will be answering at the end of this video, so make sure you all watch this video till the very end. Let's get started. First one is installation parts needed. First, check the list part on the packaging is there with you or not. SKS give you 4 long cable ties, which we will be using it to install our Mudguard. We'll move ahead with our next key point, that is shaping your SKS Mudguard before installing. As we all know, this comes into a very flat type of packaging, so you have to shape it down. It is one of the most crucial part of installation in my opinion, as this will lead to how the shape of your Mudguard will come. And do note, this will impact the look of and usage of it. As you can see, there are fold marks given by the manufacturer on the Mudguard. These fold marks are key areas from which folding will be done, and don't worry, they won't break. That is it. Let's start with the right fold mark and start folding it firmly, bit by bit, so that it's aesthetically done as perfect as possible. Also, fold the flap from the folding marking a bit aggressive, as we can fold it while setting it up the Mudguard to the frame. After one side is finished, similar treatment need to be done on the other side as well, and make sure it looks symmetrical from both sides. Now let's get to our next key point, that is initial setup before finalizing. Now take the cable ties and loosely install it on the frame in such a way that locking mechanism face is facing front for top section, as we need breathing room to secure the cable tie later. Now, after doing this on the top part, we can move ahead to the bottom part and do the same treatment as done on the top part. But one thing indifferent, that we keep the locking mechanism face inside the suspension leg. This will help in future, as it won't be bothering your hand while cleaning the bike. Now start adjusting the folding of the mudguard bit outwards so that it looks like a part of the frame and also cover the maximum coverage of the tire and extension of the suspension. This will give you maximum protection to you and to suspension spoke from dust and debris. After that, we move to our next key point, that is positioning of the mudguard according to frame. Now adjust the position of your front mudguard with loose cable tie just to see which position looks the best. So just like framing before doing actual filming one. We can move ahead with our second last key point, that is securing the top part and bottom part position. In this, first we slowly start securing, or in other words tightening the cable ties only the top part, and do it firmly so that we can keep adjusting its position we framed before. After doing this, we have a secure our vertical position. Once done, we can move ahead and secure the bottom cable tie by tightening it again firmly. This doesn't require too much of framing, as most of it is done in the top part. After cable tie are firmly tightened, we need to cut the leftover excessive material from the cable tie with a cable cutter, and then we move to our last key, that is curving finishing touches. In this, we will set the minor adjustment of folding area and adjust the positioning of the mudguard so that it is perfectly centered and smoothens the sharper cuts from the locking mechanism of the cable tie. I did it by a sharp cutter and slowly slice it. Finally, our SKS mudguard is now installed as perfect as possible with great aesthetics. Why I choose this mudguard, so here is the answer. Great looks and design which doesn't affect overall the look of our MTB. Not only that, this mudguard enhances the bike look, as you can see. So the only sole reason for me to have mudguard on MTB is the road and trails are filled with similar small stones and maybe very fine glass particles which can come into your contact on your face with quite a decent force. So better safe than sorry, trust me on this. That's all for this video. I hope you learned something useful from this and hope this will help you all in installing the mudguards on your MTB or in fact any other bike easily and aesthetically as possible. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe, like and share. Or we could say SKS. Happy riding all.